Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio. Today I am working in my scavenger hunt journal and I am working on the last letter of the alphabet, the letter Z. Have already started, as you can see, putting a base coat of, I think it's buttercream from Deco Arts Americana, and just putting that down. I'm going to add some crazy color to this page. I think I wanted to do the Z really go out with a bang on the letter Z, not on the whole book, because I'm nowhere near done. I'm further along than this letter as of the voiceover, but I'm still not even halfway. Anyway, so I'm adding the buttercream, and then I'm going to put a color over that. And then we'll get some fun doodling going. And I'm using an old brush that doesn't keep a sharp line, at least not very well. I'm very rough on my paintbrushes. I admit it. All right, so I'm getting out. I believe it's teal. And that is going to be the color of my letter. It's a little bit more transparent so you can see all the brush strokes. I give it a few coats though, and then that'll look a little bit better. And I'm using a cheaper paintbrush for this part because the other one already had that other paint in it. And I threw it in my dirty water bottle. Water cup? I don't know. I use a canning jar for my water. And yeah, nobody would ever mistake it and use it for canning because there's too much paint on the edge of the jar, and I've scraped at it. It's not worth the effort to get it all off. Plus, we don't want to can with it, so there's no mistaking it. And again, trying to get those lines on there. Yeah, see how you can see the brush strokes? I believe that's because it's transparent and it's not the best brush quality. And I could blame that all day long, but you know, it could be the user as well. I need a liner brush or a rigger to do those. Trying to do one more coat to hopefully minimize the brush strokes. All right, so it is dry, and we're gonna start some doodling. I'm using my Posca. I think they're like a medium tip Posca. I'm just adding some fun shapes. I actually go in with a little bit of yellow on some of them and make it just slightly orange. And yeah, I kind of like that. I'll just draw it off on the well-loaded painter's tape that holds my non-stick sheet down. My crafting sheet. What do they call those? I don't know. But yeah, the painter's tape on the side there could be very interesting collage. If I ever wanted to swap it out. I'll put in a few other patterns inside here. Gotta have a little variety, right? So how is everyone today? I hope you're all doing well. Things are going good here. It started snowing today. That was unexpected. I didn't think we were going to be getting any more snow, but apparently we are. Just a little bit longer. You know, it's been a little bit since I actually did this page, and I don't remember what I was thinking, but I think I looked at some patterns online, like illuminated letters, and saw one that had similar designs around it. So I think that's what I'm kind of trying to emulate. I wouldn't say copy, because I don't think it would look anything like it looks anything like what I saw online, but it was my attempt anyway. And yeah, just doing the yellow over the leaf too to give it a little bit of shading. It works. You just got to make sure, which I didn't right there, that you draw off the extra color. Like that. And this kind of doodling, I guess this is a little bit of a slow process. I was going to stop and then decided I needed more leaves, filling places in. Oh, in the one picture I saw, they used three-dimensional paint. It looked three-dimensional anyway, and they did dots everywhere. And so I decided to do dots, but I'm not using three-dimensional paint. Though I do have some paper paint. It's called paper paint. I don't even know if you can buy it anymore. If I find it, I'll put it in the description box below. I'll try to remember to put the products I used down below in case you're interested. I mean, basically it's Posca's and little buttercream paint and my paper paint on this particular page. I always love outlining in black. It just makes it stand out. Especially those areas where the same color kind of overlaps. Just helps with the doodle effect, don't you think? So, have you been watching? Have you been following along with the scavenger hunt? Which letter of the alphabet do you like best that I have created? I really like this one. I love my cat. If you haven't seen the videos and you're interested, the playlist will be in the description box below. This scavenger hunt is the brainchild of Janet M. Young, and her YouTube channel will be in the description box below as well. If you want to play along, I believe the prompts are on her community page. And yeah, all that business out of the way. I think putting the black line around the little pink dots is especially helpful. I just like that black line. Can be bad though, because sometimes I mess up. Oh, and sorry, I put blue inside, dark blue inside, and must have not filmed it. This is the paper, it's called a paper pen? Paper pen. I got it. Gosh, it's been so long ago. I was surprised it would still come out. I'd forgotten all about it. It was in the back of one of my drawers and found it. I'm like, oh, I remember this stuff. I used it on one of my first videos, I think. Not the very first, but yeah, back in 2015. Can't believe I've been doing this that long. So, hey, while I'm talking about it, my channel has not grown very much. I don't know why. Except for I have lame conversations with myself while watching the replay. But if you would like to help out my channel and are interested, why not hit that subscribe button? And, you know, it doesn't cost you anything, and it really does help out my channel. And also, if you like the videos that I'm doing, hit that like button, leave me a comment, you know. Let me know which letter of the alphabet you liked best. Was it the Z? I mean, there is a lot going on the Z. Right now, this is my Stabilo All pencil. I'm just outlining it, and I'm going to do a little shading. I think I just hit it with water. Sometimes I use matte medium, but I think this time I just used water. Got a paintbrush wet and activated that Stabilo just to create a little bit of shading. I did wait for that paper pen to dry, and that was an overnight thing because it might have been drier sooner, but anytime you have puffy or thick stuff, it takes longer. It was hard for me. I kept going over the paint. I'm like, trying not to touch it. But and yes, I rotate my book a lot when I'm trying to get the right angle. But there it is, the letter Z. What do you think? Is it a success? Success? I hope you liked it. Let me know. And I have a couple of shots here at the end so you can maybe get a better view. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have an awesome day.